this on. Hello. Hello.
Oh.
What's your name?
My name is Cheryl. Hi, Mr. Peachy. All right. Green. 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 Red. 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 Touch the green. Touch the green. Good job.
Did he? Did he
Good
touch
job.
it correctly? He
Yes,
was
he did.
slow.
Good job. Hyena. Good job.
Oh, you're a good trainer. Make it very clear.
Red. Good job. Good job. Hyena. Good. Good boy. Touch the green. Touch the green. Touch the green. Touch the green. Good.
Good.
Boy. Good.
Yay!
Boy.
He knows exactly what you want.
Good boy.
He's just
Hyena.
hesitating
Yep, because he doesn't know me. I'm
because
stranger.
you're new, and that's the whole
It's
idea.
okay. That's
We'll do it
okay.
one more time.
Touch the red. Touch the red.
He's not used to tilting his head like that and hesitating.
Touch the red.
He's usually used to making a mistake. If he's going to do it, he does it right away, which is interesting. He's thinking about it.
Mm-hmm. We'll try again. Touch the red. Good job. Can you have it?
So I'm not going to reward him for that behavior.